Hey buddies, welcome back. So as you can see, those two numbers at the top, one of them 5 is repeating, only 5 is repeating, and in the second number both 3 and 5 is repeating. Let's see how to convert these two numbers in their p by q form. So let's write the answer for this. So here for the first one x is 2.35 bar, and for the second one x is 2.35 bar. Now because only 5 is repeating here, only one digit is repeating, 3 is not repeating, right? So we'll be multiplying with 10. 10 is the multiplier here, and here 2 digits are repeating, so 100 will be the multiplier. If 3 digits are repeating, for example if you have 0.4325 with 3, 2 and 5 repeating, then our multiplier will be 1000. 100 is the multiplier here. Now as we proceed, we have, when we multiply 10, we'll get 10x is equal to 23.5 bar. And the next step, we'll be splitting this 23.5 bar in such a way that we can bring x, this, right? So let's write that 2.35 bar here because we want x in our equation. Now 2.35 bar plus what will give us 23.5 bar. To get that number, just subtract these two. So when we subtract 23.5 bar minus 2.35 bar, 5 bar means 5 is repeating, so I can write here 5 and dot 555, all the 5's get cancelled, get subtracted and becomes 0. 5 minus 3 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, and 2, 21.2. So 10x is equal to 21.2 plus 2.35 bar. I'll write it as x because 2.35 bar is x, right? 21.2, we got the number. Now when we take x to that side, it becomes minus 10x minus x is 9x is equal to 21.2. So our number is 21.2 by 9. Now in p by q form, it should not be decimal. Both p and q are integers, so we can multiply by 10 and 10 to remove the decimal. Our answer is 212 by 9. Now by default, if the fraction is reducible, you have to cut it and reduce it down, so be careful about that. If it is not reducible, then this is the answer. Now what about this one? Here 100 is the multiplier, so 100x will be equal to 235.35 bar, because 35 bar means 35, 35, 35, it continues. So 35, 35, it continues, right? Now again, in the next step, we want to bring x, so we are going to split this. So let's write x here. So some number plus x, which is 2.35 bar, will give us this number back. And to get this number, this unknown number, just subtract them. So if I subtract 235.35 bar with 2.35 bar, this part becomes totally 0, and here we get 233. So 233 is the number, right? Let's fill it here, 233. So this clearly it's x, right? X. So if it goes that side, becomes 100 minus x as 99x is equal to 233. So x is equal to 233 by 99. Again, as I said, if it is reducible, just check and reduce it, or else that's the answer. Since both p and q are integer by integer, that is the answer. No need to further modify this. I hope you understood. Press the like button and click on subscribe. And in the comment section, you can type what you want to learn next from me. I'll be really happy to help it out. Do not forget, you're awesome. Have a great day.